Peterson, and today I'm in my office with lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of Chebe that I'm going to be giving away. Yes, I'll be giving away all that Chebe for you guys. So I have asked in my previous video if any of you would be interested in trying the real Chebe powder from Chad, and there was some interest. So I'm delivering today, and all of this is for you to win. So here are the instructions to enter. Number 1, you have to be at least 18 years old. Number 2, you could be the resident of any country in the world. Yes, anywhere, and I will deliver the Chebe powder to your door if you are the winner. And number 3, you have to follow this link to enter. You'll find the instructions there. It will also be in the description of my video. And the more you win, the more you play, the more you win. So what does it mean? It means that when you will click in this link and go into the giveaway page, it would prompt you into giving some information about you, like your name, your email address, and your country of residence. But it would also give you the option of following me across social media. And the more you follow me, the more entries you're given. And it will also give you a custom link where you can invite your friends, family, colleagues, anybody who is interested by Chebe. So it will give you more chances if they use your custom link to enter the giveaway. So you have 1 week from the day I upload this video. I wish you good luck. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification so you know as soon as I upload new information about myself, Salwa Peterson, and Chebe. You can also follow my journey on Facebook and Instagram at Salwa Peterson. I also have Pinterest board and Twitter at Salwa Peterson. Good luck, and I will see you soon.